This is a Khadi temple border sari. It's green, black and white. And then this is a lehenga set, dupatta, lehenga and blouse piece. And then coming to the white ikkat with blue temple borders, a classic with a blue ikkat blouse piece. That's the pallu. This gorgeous piece of Yellow Banaras Lehenga Set is going out to Nirupama. It's got a nice dupatta and a blouse piece, contrast colored. And she's buying this for her granddaughter. I can't wait to see her in it. Temple border Ikkat Saree in cotton, mercerized cotton. And that's how the pallu looks. Beautiful piece, classic, elegant, and we have a matching blue blouse piece in Ikkat for it too.